Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You most likely clicked on this video because you're asking yourself this one question. Why am I not making any commission sales with affiliate marketing? You might be promoting your products on different platforms, sharing your links and lead generation funnels here and there, but no one is biting. And now you feel like you're wasting your time and money. Essentially, if you're not making any commissions, then you must be doing something wrong, right? Well, today we're going to uncover this hidden secret as to why you're not getting any sales. To get into it, the real simple answer as to why you're not succeeding is because you are not giving before you take. Now, we are all guilty of this, especially in the beginning, where our main focus every day is to log into our affiliate platform account like Builderall or ClickBank or whatever you may be promoting and check if we made any leads or made any sales. And while there's nothing wrong with doing this, you checking if you're making sales is not going to make you any sales. So it's time to break the habit. The only thing that is honestly going to make you commissions is by giving to people before you try to take their money or make the actual sale. So now the question becomes, how do you give? Well, the only way to do this effectively is to simply provide value. It's one of, if not the top rule in affiliate marketing, because I promise you, if you're not giving this, you're not going to get any sales. At this moment, your mindset is focused on promoting your affiliate link and counting clicks on that link. Then you move on to obsessing on why you've received 50 links, but no sales, and why your offer is not converting. So don't just think about, optimizing your funnel or ads, or maybe that you've joined the wrong Facebook groups to sell to, because you'll just begin to overwhelm yourself. Instead of obsessing on these elements on a daily basis, just shift your mind to a business content creator and start sharing value to your audience. This is what you should focus on every day. You must make sure that whatever content you are putting out, whatever information you're sharing about your affiliate product, that it can clearly show and offer value to the audience you are trying to market to. Your content must show why your product is great, how it can help solve their problem, and make their lives easier by purchasing or signing up for it. See, what a lot of people will do is put together a quick lead generation page to promote a free ebook or free training to try to reel some people in, but more often than not, it's rushed and it comes out pretty shitty. So even though you got an email out of it, the big payout won't come. Why? Because the content from the ebook or the webinar provided no true real value for them. It's all become psychological at this point. If you put out a rush product or lead magnet, your audience, one way or another, will pick up on the lack of quality and they will begin thinking, this person isn't really putting a lot of time and effort into this. It feels a bit half-assed. I'm not seeing any true value. So I'm just going to ignore anything else they might send my way because it doesn't feel serious or helpful enough. Now, if you actually take the time to consider your niche market's needs, their pain points, and how you can help solve their problem through the affiliate product you're trying to promote, and be able to relay that information through great content, then you will begin to see a shift in not only your marketing strategies, but more importantly, sales. Because if they're receiving that value, it triggers something positive within them and fulfills an instant need. They might think to themselves, this is really good stuff. I wonder what else they have to say. So now you're getting them to think of you as an authority and someone who knows their stuff. They're going to be more prone to actually listening to you when you begin to talk about a product and take more actions because you've begun to gain their trust. And it's all because you did this one thing. You provided value. It's about giving before you take. As an affiliate, you are just recommending products to people, but no one is going to listen or trust you if you don't provide the initial value. So now that you know you have to provide value, you're probably thinking, how? How do I provide this value? What do I have to do? Well, I will tell you. one of my favorite ways and the best ways of providing value is to take advantage of free traffic through content marketing, especially since the cost of paid advertising keeps rising. So, what do I mean by that? Pick a platform and create content on it, like YouTube, like the video you are watching now. I'm personally beginning to enjoy video a lot more now that I'm doing it more often. At first, it was nerve-wracking. My sound quality was horrible. Lighting was bad as well. I'm still working on that. But little by little, I've been trying to step up my game to be able to connect with my viewers more. And I feel that with video, I can engage better and have more of a natural voice. So I highly recommend you put yourself out there and create your first video today if you haven't done so already. And the more you put it into practice, the more comfortable you get with it. Now, if you're not looking to grow a huge following on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook, you can still use your videos and send them via email. Consider this. There are 5.59 billion active email users as of 2019. That means there are 559 billion people who are constantly checking their emails and reading content. This offers a lot of potential to tap into. So you can grow your email list organically and then create an automated email sequence to send out your emails every other day or every few days or every other week. Here you can have more of a private one-on-one voice with your audience, making them feel a bit more exclusive. Here you can send your videos and content and provide nonstop value. It can be value, 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 offer. That way you continue gaining their trust, but still pitching your products to make sales. Once again, value, 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 offer. Other than YouTube and email, you can also create and offer valuable content on Facebook and Instagram, IGTV. One thing about Instagram, though, is that people tend to have a shorter attention span on that platform. It's more for visual appeal, where you just like and keep scrolling, like and keep scrolling. So you'll really have to create eye-catching videos and content to get people to stop, stick around, and engage. This could be a great secondary platform to repost on, but you might be more effective on Facebook than IG. There's also writing your own blogs on your own website and aiming to rank for keywords on Google and Bing. This is a great way to grow organically and have a big reach. There are sites like Quora, which is a question and answer style website. Many people will go into it and ask a question about a topic, and other users will click on the question and provide an answer that is meant to help that person solve their problem. Once again, it's about offering value. So what you can do here is do a search for your niche, look up as many questions as you can and answer them and start offering value in your knowledge. You can send them to your YouTube video or a lead generation page to be able to collect their email as well and get them as a lead. And then enter them in your cycle of being able to provide them even further value and be able to sell to them as well. So like the email sequence. So keep that in mind every day. Offering value should be your top goal, not just looking up how many clicks your links have gotten or how many leads you've brought in. Focus on value. So all of this is a beauty of content marketing. It allows you to provide value and gain free traffic. These two elements need to go together because at the end of the day, traffic really doesn't matter if you're not providing anything worthy or useful. So by using free traffic to deliver your content to, you can also test your process without burning money and stressing about gaining leads. So remember, the more valuable content you provide, the more free traffic you will gain, which in turn will convert into leads and sales for you. So if you're not making sales with affiliate marketing, focus on content marketing. If you do this, I promise you, you will begin to see a change. And if you find yourself doing this and still not getting any sales, take the time to evaluate your content. This is when you can do that. That means you're probably not providing as much value as you may think you are. You might think to yourself, or you should think to yourself, what can I do to help more? That's your main goal, offering value. I know I've said it a million times, but it's to offer value. And when you go and do recommend your product after offering all that value, that is your cherry on top. And that's really how you're going to make all of your money. Even if you're using paid traffic, the core of success is still the same, providing value. All right, guys, I hope you found this information useful. And I know that if you do this, you're going to see a change in your leads and sales. And if you're having difficulty finding an affiliate product to promote, or even if you're looking for a new one, I always like to recommend Builderall, which is a subscription-based product. It falls within the digital marketing niche, which can help a lot of businesses solve their problems. So it would be something great to promote and be able to get people's attention with. And best yet, they offer a 2-tier commission payout system. So I've added a link below for you to click and learn more about. And you can always follow me here on YouTube, as I will be providing some insight on how to be successful with Builderall as well. Remember, please click the thumbs up on this video and let me know that you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be one of the first to see new content. Till next time.